Control point locked.
Grid pattern confirmed.
Prepare borehole 1.
Save loot. Clay layer at 12.
Hold position steady.
Clear to stake line.
Grade to mark. Density approved.
Road center line set.
Unload and spread.
Layer compacted.
Holding at 30 meters.
Tower axis confirmed.
Anchor limit set.
Dig to elevation. Clear haul route.
Depth achieved.
Roger that. Good work, team.
Panel locked.
Brace secured.
Start trace deployed. Cross rest. Pump online.
Align first pile. Pile driving steady.
Refusal achieved.
Confirmed.
Next pile ready.
Cut to mark.
Lower cage slowly.
Rebar approved.
Ready for pour.
Keep it uniform. Surface closed.
Begin curing cycle. Strength verified.
Wall forms plumb.
Spacing correct.
Evenly lift, evenly.
Walls exposed. Walls exposed.
Climber secured.
Core lift 1. Lift complete!
Ready for pour.
Elevation on target.
Prepare steel yard.
Hold, set. Got a Hugo, track to your color chair. Lower.
Bolt tension met.
6, frame aligned.
Access secured. Lloydson. Access secured.
Pilot line across.
Strand count good. It's good. Bundle secured.
Verified.
Deck ready.
Align to hangars.
Connection locked.
Target. Span advancing.
Center closure. Panel sandal seated.
Weld complete. Alignment within tolerance.
Course allied. Barrier segment set. Arch radius correct. Rebar tied.
Okay.
Full continuous.
Truss node pinned.
Oh! Ease it down.
Torqued.
Joint complete.
Tension on spec.
Panel locked. Lower section next.
Glass seated.
Seal continuous.
Roof on bonus. Roof frame set.
Cladding secured.
Membrane sealed. Supports fixed. Roof clear.
Slow.
Slope verified. Fire main connected.
Coverage complete.
Wall line set. Board secured.
Joint smooth. Like been showing with the discipline leaders and clarities of those canons. That's all it turned meant that
Primer even. Color approved. Floor level. Panel live. Drag 13.
Lighting sequence on. Illumination verified.
Grade to contour. Spacing correct. Rail section set.
No defects noted.
Deck clear.
Deck clear. Movement normal. Minor touch-ups.
Issue resolved.
All items closed.
Surface clean.
Glass slowly clear.
Zone cleared. Plaque centered. Ready to open.
Confirmed.
Scaffold down.
Stand by.
Access open.
Load nominal.
Confirmed. All systems green.
Bridge complete. System stable.
Flow normal.
Load steady.
Visual check done. Morning check clear.
Project delivered. Kwayang Vis.
Final handover.
Site closed and posture.
Monitoring active.
Project complete.
subscribe, like, and share.